Hi, this is Godrej South Estate, Okla.
So the project has two entries. We have a land parcel of 5.15 acres.
Okay.
In 5.15 acres, we are constructing 4 towers.
Hmm.
This is one of the main entry of the project.
Okay.
And the second entry is on the other hand side.
Hmm.
In total, we are constructing 375 units here.
Okay.
So in first phase, we have launched these 3 towers.
Hmm.
And in second phase, we'll be launching this tower. So in first phase, this is our first tower, which is SB1.
Okay.
This is the second tower, which is SB2.
Okay.
And this is the third tower, which is tower number 2.
Tower number 2. This is the clubhouse. This is the clubhouse, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the clubhouse.
Hmm.
So each tower, because it's this project is a flagship project of Godrej Properties.
Hmm.
So we have given a thought to each and every small minute details also. So the elevation which you see is in increasing order.
Yes.
So in SB2 we have 2 height.
Hmm.
Pause. मैंने गलत था.
Yeah, SB1.
SB1 we have 2 different height.
Hmm.
So this portion is ground plus 15 and this portion is ground plus 19.
Ground plus 15 and ground plus 19.
Yes.
Okay. And this one?
So this is SB2
Huh?
and this is ground plus 19.
Okay.
And this is ground plus 23.
23. Okay, fine. And the new tower which will launch is?
So that we'll be launching in pause. Then comes tower number 2,
Okay.
which is ground plus 29. This will be the tallest tower of South Delhi.
The last one, right?
Yeah. So this is the last one.
Okay.
And this will be the tallest tower of South Delhi
Hmm.
with a height of ground plus 20. The floor rises ground plus 29.
Ground plus 29.
Yes.
And basement will be car parking?
So the entire project
Hmm.
will have basement parking.
Okay.
We have ground minus 3 level of basement parking.
Ground minus 3.
Yeah, ground minus 3 level with 1400 car parking spaces.
1400 car parking spaces. Okay, wonderful.
Each tower will have a separate entry and drop-off point.
Hmm.
So the signature, which is the metal cladding, will be used on the lower floors, especially on the entrance of the tower.
Entrance of the tower. Okay.
So the copper cladding, which you can see,
Hmm.
you can just lower down and
Okay. Fine. Great. And this is the pathway, right? Path.
yeah. So the white trail which you see, that is the jogging and walking track, and
Okay.
the trail which you will find everywhere in the entire green area.
Entire green area. And what is the size of the clubhouse?
So 20,000 square feet.
20,000 square feet is the clubhouse. Okay, wonderful. And all these towers has got 3, 4 and 5 BHK something?
So SB1 and SB2
Okay.
will have 2 BHK and 2 plus study units.
Size?
Tower number. So size of the 2 BHK unit is 1513 square feet.
Okay.
And 2 plus study
Hmm.
is 2234 square feet.
20 to 34 square feet. And this one?
This is 3. This tower will have 3 BHK and 4 BHK.
3 and 4 BHK, okay.
3 BHK is 2753 and 4 BHK is 3851.
38, 51.
Yes.
Any duplexes or penthouses?
No. So we have crown unit.
Okay.
If you see on the 22nd floor, we have the refuge floor. Above that, we have the crown unit.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the refuse floor.
Yeah. So we will not have any inventory here.
Okay.
So like
Why?
because refuge as per the safety norms. So this is one of our luxury project, and luxury is like luxury means where you have comes with safety.
Okay.
We have followed all the rules and regulations, and we have added some of the major safety norms also. So
Okay.
this will be the floor from where, as per the Delhi government norm, you have to leave one whenever you are constructing a high-rise tower. You have to leave one floor as refuge floor.
Refuse floor. Okay.
That is the reason we have left.
Any refuse floor in this towers?
No.
No. Okay, fine. And this is the garden. Any swimming pool and all?
That.
That's it. Okay. What is this? Only greenery?
Yes.
Is the greenery?
70% of the area is green and open.
70% green.
Yeah. So we have 3.2 acres of open and green space.
Total project size?
So total project size is 5.15 acres.
5.15 acre total project size, and 3.3 acres green.
3.2
3.2 is the green size. Okay, fine.
green and open area.
Green and open
The
area.
central green area of 2 acres.
Central. Okay, fine. What is this?
So this is our EWS tower as per the Delhi government.
EWS. Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
We
And
have a basketball court, half basketball.
basketball court. Okay.
Court. Then we have a badminton court.
Badminton court.
This is like we have used a lot of green and water element in the project.
This is the swimming pool?
No, so that is
Okay.
the swimming
That
pool.
is the swimming pool. Okay.
Lagoon shape infinity swimming pool.
Okay.
And this is a water body.
Water
we have
body,
used
okay.
a lot of water elements. You can see we'll have a lot of fountains in front of all the towers.
Okay, wonderful.
So this is the water, so floating stage.
Okay.
Then you have this open amphitheater, a screen set up here. So
Okay.
for small get together in the society.
Is it a screen?
Yeah, this is
Okay.
the screen. So
Okay.
like if you want the society, like people want to watch some live matches,
Okay.
anything,
Mhm.
so they can just, we have given us open amphitheater and screen set up here.
Open amphitheater. Okay,
People
fine.
can enjoy live matches, football matches.
Okay.
Here.
And this is the swimming pool, right? This
Yeah,
is the
this is
swimming
the
pool.
swimming
Okay, wonderful. Wonderful.
So these
Fine.
are the 2+ study units.
2+ study units, and this is the 3 and 4 units. 3, 4 units.
On the 19th floor of SB1 and SB2, what we have done, this is one of the unique concept which you will not find in South Delhi. We have
Okay.
created a sky garden on the 19th floor terrace,
19th floor. Okay.
and it will be open for everyone.
Okay.
It will give you a beautiful view of entire Delhi city. So you
Delhi.
can see Lotus Temple, you can see major monuments from here, because the advantage of being the only high-rise society in South Delhi is that it gives you a beautiful view of the entire city.
Okay, wonderful. And what is this? This one?
So these are your ramp areas for the parking.
Parking
We have 3
areas.
different ramp areas. One is at the entrance, the second is here, and the third one is at the last of the tower, like that you can
Okay.
see at the last.
I think from here you can go on the room, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, fine. Any gym and all?
In the clubhouse.
Clubhouse you have got the
Clubhouse
gym.
is of 20,000 square feet.
20,000 square feet.
On
Okay.
on the second floor,
Okay.
we have a gym, and we have. So the clubhouse will be managed by international brand names.
International.
The gym will be managed by Ramona Briganza,
Okay.
and
Okay.
the spa and saloon will be managed by L. These
Okay.
are some international brand names, because this is a luxury project, and while doing the brand tie-ups also, we have focused on very good names.
Okay.
And tie-ups with some very good names.
Okay. Okay, this is the outside parking or something?
These are some guest parking.
Guest
This is
parkings,
parking which we
okay.
have. We have some retail options on the
Retail-
ground floor of
retail options.
tower number 1.
Tower number 1.
Cater regular basic needs.
Hi, this is Godrej South Estate construction status up to date. This is the tower 2. You can see क्रेन लगी हुई है यहाँ पे. कंस्ट्रक्शन जोरों शोरों से चल रही है. 7th फ्लोर तक चल रही है.
7th फ्लोर की कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही है.
7th फ्लोर की construction.
3 लेवल बेसमेंट प्लस 7th फ्लोर बना रहे हैं.
7th floor, 3 level basement
प्लस 7th
plus 7th floor. This is the crane लगी हुई है. You can see. This is the tower 2 of 21 floor. 29 floor की tower है ये. And this is the SB2.
ग्राउंड प्लस 23 maximum height है.
Ground plus 23. Okay.
We have done the construction, the first floor roof
First-
construction चल रही है.
फर्स्ट फ्लोर और रूफ की कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही है. 3 लेवल बेसमेंट हो गई है. फाइन. आप देख सकते हैं पूरी लेबर लगी हुई है.
कंस्ट्रक्शन काफ़ी लाइक फास्ट पेस कंस्ट्रक्शन
फास्ट पेस चल रही है.
लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 200 के आसपास यहाँ पे 200 प्लस वर्कर्स यहाँ पे काम कर रहे
200
हैं.
प्लस वर्कर्स काम कर रहे हैं. कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स भी हैं, इंजीनियर्स भी हैं. यू कैन आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे वेरी नाइस कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क गोइंग ऑन. ये 21 एंड 29 फ्लोर्स बिल्डिंग होने वाली है. दैट्स अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट। एंड आप देख सकते हैं कितनी लेबरर्स यहाँ पे काम कर रही है, कितने इंजीनियर्स हैं यहाँ पे, एंड एवरीवन इज डूइंग फाइन। आफ्टर लॉकडाउन दे आर डूइंग ए नाइस थिंग। थैंक यू। हाय, साउथ स्टेट का आप देख सकते हैं टावर 2 कंस्ट्रक्शन गोइंग ऑन। टावर 2 कंस्ट्रक्शन, दिस इज द बेसमेंट।
इसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर करके लेना, डोंट कवर दिस।
ओके ओके फाइन। दिस इज द बेसमेंट 3 लेवल हो गया है एंड 7 लेवल की कंस्ट्रक्शन हो गई है, 7th फ्लोर कंस्ट्रक्शन हो गई है। क्रेन लगी हुई है, आप देख सकते हैं क्रेन लगी हुई है। एंड आप देख सकते हैं कितने वर्कर्स काम कर रहे हैं, कितने इंजीनियर्स हैं, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स, एवरी वन वर्किंग फाइन। एंड दैट इज़ SV2। इसमें भी 3 लेवल की कार पार्किंग हो रखी है एंड फर्स्ट फ्लोर एंड रूफ की कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही है। बहुत सारे बीम लगी हुई है, कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही है। इट्स वेरी नाइस प्लेस एंड इन द हार्ट ऑफ ओखला। दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द गुड डेवलपमेंट बाय Godrej। अगर मैं जूम करता हूँ, आप देखिए दिस इज M1 कंस्ट्रक्शन,
एल्युमिनियम फोम वर्क।
एल्युमिनियम, ओके, My1 टेक्नोलॉजी। एंड ग्रीन से आप उसको ढके हुए हैं ताकि मतलब एज पर द नॉर्म्स ऑफ NGT। ग्रेट। क्रेन लग रही है, सीमेंटिंग का काम हो रहा है, आप देखिए। Wonderful work going on, and you can see this is the latest status of Godrej South Estate. This is super steady inventory in Godrej Estate. 2 BHK is sold out, right? This is the balcony.
Yeah, so we have a running balcony in the 2+ study unit.
Okay.
So our balconies are one of the major USPs of all the units. We have 6.6 feet wide balconies.
Okay.
So which can be used more of like we can guess like people who will be staying here, they can use it as a deck.
Okay.
Instead of a normal open balcony, because the length of the balcony differs. So in 2+ study you have a 22 feet long balcony. In 4 BHK you have two separate running balconies.
Okay.
Which first one is 22 feet and the second one is almost 28 feet. So from here you enter the project.
Okay.
So in 2+ study we have 2 different layouts.
Okay.
One is where you have a separate living and dining area,
Okay.
and second layout is where you have a combined living and dining space.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah, fixing.
This is 2 BHK plus study sample. Model units. 2 BHK plus sample. Study. 2 BHK plus study. This is 2 BHK one. This is 4 BHK. This is 3 BHK. Two BHK sold out already. This is 3 BHK.